It was third and final Amrit Snan of the Mahakumbh 2025, the largest religious gathering on the planet, where about 2.33 crore people took dip in the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of river Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. And today as well, even if the Amrit Snan has ended, the tourists and pilgrims and devotees are thronging in the Kumbh Mela 2025 in Prayagraj in large numbers to take holy dip. There are elaborate security measures that have been put in place, including 7-layer security system and AI integrated CCTV cameras to monitor every place, every corner of the Kumbh Mela premises. These CCTV cameras are integrated with the AI technology that also has database, and any suspicious activity can be easily tracked and further action could be taken. When we had a word with people, they say that this is the most amazing moment in their life because of the alignment which has come after 144 years and also known as Purn Mahakumbh. People are saying that no matter how much they have to walk, but they would take dip in the Triveni Sangam, which is again the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. People here are just coming not from the parts of country, but also the international devotees and pilgrims are also coming, and they are saying that when they take dip in the Triveni Sangam, it feels like they have become immortal and the most precious moment of their life. In fact, the interesting part is this, that students from the renowned universities from all across the world, including Oxford and Harvard, are doing research on the fact that how such a large gathering is, being organized in such a smooth line manner. So all in all, the security arrangements are elaborate to make sure that these devotees who are coming here in Prayagraj, in Mahakumbh 2025, their journey remains peaceful, safe and secure. With camera person Mohan Mukesh Sharma, this is Siddharth Bhardwaj reporting for DD India in Prayagraj.